Did you know that Jest is one of the top JavaScript testing frameworks? Hi, my name is Marco Cruz, and this is the beginning of a video series on Jest. Here's a little bit about me so we can get to know each other in this learning journey. I am the founder of Automate Now, which is a learning platform for software testers. I also have a bachelor's degree in computer engineering, and I've been in the software testing industry since 2014. You can learn more about me by going to YouTube and searching Automate Now, or you can visit our website at 𝐲𝐻𝑒𝐤. This video is brought to you by Lambda Test. Lambda Test is a GenAI native quality engineering platform. It empowers teams to test intelligently, test smarter, and ship faster. It is built to scale, offering a full-stack testing cloud with over 10,000 real devices and over 3,000 browsers for cross-browser and end-to-end testing. And here are the topics that we're going to be covering in this Jest video series. First off is this video that you're watching right now, which is an introduction to Jest. If you have any other video suggestion ideas for this video series, please comment down below so that we can add them to the list and make sure we got you covered. Let's now move on to what this video is all about. In this video, we're going to be covering what Jest is and why you should be using it. Jest is known as a delightful JavaScript testing framework, and it was developed at Meta, formerly known as Facebook, back in 2011. It was later open sourced in 2014, and it was originally called JST internally. Can you guess what companies use Jest? As you probably imagine, Meta is one of them, but we also have other companies such as Airbnb, Stripe, Amazon, and even Google. This is just a few of the companies that are using this framework, but there are many, many more. Now, let's look at 5 reasons why you should be using Jest. Here are 5 compelling reasons for using Jest. Number 1 is the ease of use. Jest works out of the box with very minimal setup. Number 2 is that it's fast. Jest runs your tests in parallel across multiple workers, leveraging CPU cores to speed up execution. Number 3 is snapshot testing. Jest captures the output of a component, usually your UI, and compares it to a stored reference to detect unintended changes. This ensures consistency across the application. Number 4 is mocking. Jest offers an intuitive and comprehensive mocking tools. Lastly, number 5 is the active community that it has. Jest is backed by the OpenJS Foundation and is used by major companies as we saw in the previous slide. And it has a very vibrant community. And before wrapping up, I wanted to show you guys some useful websites that you can go to so you can learn more about Jest. The first one here is on GitHub, basically the site where Jest is hosted on GitHub. So it's github.com/jest.js. And this is a site right here will have information about this project. You can also see some key people in this project. These are basically the people who are maintaining this project. Recall what I told you guys in the slides that as of 2014, this project was open sourced. So people from the entire community are contributing to make this project even better as time goes by. So definitely check this out. You can learn more about this project. Another site that I want to show you is this one here. You can go to this URL right here. And this is basically gives you an idea of how Jest has been doing over time. Okay, so there's JavaScript conferences that take place on a regular basis, and people are given surveys, and this is basically the results of those surveys. You can see here, in this case, how many people have used the different frameworks. You can see right here different types of frameworks, Jest being this first one right here, the blue line. Okay, so we can see back in 2016, only about 7% of respondents said that they were using Jest back then. But as of 2020, that jumped to 68%. And last year, which is the latest results for this survey, it says 72%. So definitely increasing and maintaining dominance over all the other frameworks that are listed on here. You will notice though there are some upcoming frameworks that are also becoming very popular, and there's definitely competition out there. So this is a very nice site to learn more about how Jest is doing compared to other frameworks. And the last site I wanted to show you guys is the official Jest website, which is just jest.js.io. And this site has, for example, the documentation, which is what's going to be covered in the next video. We're going to go to the documentation and basically get us started with using Jest. Okay, so we're going to install it and start using it. And that'll be a lot of fun. So yeah, definitely check out those sites and let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing to this channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video.